Hi friends, this video is about how to create animation using animator option in Navisworks. For this I have modeled a simple 3D. For creating animation you have the animator option in animation tab. Just open the animator window and just I am dragging it to a better place. So add a scene. So once the scene is added, we have to add our animation set. For this I have selected the two footings and added my first animation set. So after creating the animation set, we need to fix the animation. First we need to fix the time, just entering the seconds. To add a keyframe at the time value which you entered, you can control the time in the keyframe also. So I am just making it as 3 seconds. You can see lot of options in keyframe: X, Y, Z, rotation, scale and transparency also. So in this video I will show you how to control it with our Z option. So I am making the Z value as 8 at keyframe 1 and it remains 0 in our keyframe 3. So let me show you how it works. So at keyframe 3 the objects will be in 8 meter and at keyframe 3 the object will be in our 0 meter. So once it is created, you can just simply copy the animation set and paste it over there and update the objects in the animation set too. Just select the objects and update it. And we can edit the time as well like this. So now we can check. The first animation set is for the footing, the second is for the small columns. Okay, it's working perfectly. So I'm just making the same procedure for creating other sets like the bottom beam, the long columns and the beam at top, then our brickwork and the doors which we modeled. Simply copy pasting the animation set which we created earlier, so I'm editing the values and changing the set from one to the next one. I just gave only Z value to all the elements. For trying you can choose the other options also. So now we have completed the animation sets with time and its related animation. So let me show you how it works. First footing, column, beam, then the long column, beam and door plus our brickwork. So it's coming from 8 meter to 0 meter. The next one is we need to add the camera viewports. For this we need to create few viewports first. So I am going to prepare few viewports now and we need to add the camera. First we need to add the camera in scene. I have added a blank camera. Next step is to create few viewports. Viewport is nothing but how we are viewing the window. It captures the image in the window and save. Just like this. So this is our view 1. So this is our view 2. For creating this simple video, I just going to create only 3 viewports. So this one will be our view 3. So once the viewport is created, we have to add these viewports to our animation camera. So the view 1 remains from 0 seconds to the time which we are going to enter now. So from 0 up to 3 or 5, it will be good, I think. So let me check. So up to 5, I think it stays in view 1. That will be a good. So up to the beam. So I'm just keeping the view 1 from 0 to 5 seconds. Zero to 5, the camera stays as V1. The camera changes from V1 to V2 from 5 to 6. That is the better option, right? So I am making the camera view 2 at 6 seconds. So 5 to 6, it changes the camera from 1 to 2. So after 6, you need to fix the camera at 3. So camera 3 we can fix at 7. So enter the second 7. Pick the camera 2. So the camera stays at view 2 from 6 to 7. So from 7 to 7 and half, it changes to view 3. So after 752, the entire video, like 850, it stays in camera 3. So now the camera fixing process is completed. Yeah, it works fine. So there is some misalignment in our brickwork animation. So let me adjust. Just pick and drag will adjust. So now we can see how the animation is created in animation window. First footing, small columns, beam, long columns, beam, door and brickwork. Okay, that's working fine. So this is how we can create a simple animation and we can export it to a video file. So try it out. There are a lot of options in our animation like rotation, transparency, scale options are there. Just try it out. If you have any doubt, just leave me in comment and stay connected for more stuffs. And thank you guys.